Hey guys, I've got a confession to make. I used to think LeetCode was the holy grail of interview prep, but boy was I wrong. Today we're diving into why solving hundreds of LeetCode challenges might not be the silver bullet you think it is for acing those coding interviews. Strap in, because we're about to go on a magical coding adventure that'll make your resume sparkle more than a magical girl's wand. Let's be real for a second. LeetCode is like the gym for coders. You go there, you pump some algorithmic iron, and you feel like you're ready to take on the world. But here's the kicker. Just because you can bench press a red-black tree doesn't mean you're ready for the coding Olympics, aka your dream job interview. You know, I've lost count of how many times I've seen developers absolutely crush LeetCode challenges, only to fall flat on their faces when it comes to actual interviews. Now, don't get me wrong, LeetCode is great for honing your problem-solving skills. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, code quality. Have you seen some of the solutions in the LeetCode comment section? It's like a coding horror show. Sure, it might pass the test cases, but good luck explaining that spaghetti code to an interviewer with a straight face. You know what? In a real interview, you can't just vomit out code and call it a day. Interviewers are looking for clean, efficient, and readable solutions. They want to see that you can write code that won't make your future teammates want to gouge their eyes out. LeetCode might let you get away with some questionable practices, but trust me, your potential employer won't be so forgiving. Alright, so you've mastered the art of solving algorithmic puzzles. That's great. But here's a plot twist for you. Coding interviews aren't just about solving problems. They're about communication, explaining your thought process, and showing how you approach challenges. It's like, you're not just the coder, you're also the narrator of your own coding story. Let's not forget about explaining your code. Interviewers want to see you dry run your solutions, catch edge cases, and optimize on the fly. It's like being a code detective, anticipating problems before they even happen. LeetCode doesn't really prepare you for this kind of on-your-feet thinking and explaining. It's more like, here's a problem, now go hide in a corner and solve it. But in an interview, you need to be the star of your own magical coding show. Let's face it, the real world of software development is messy. You need to be a full-fledged coding magical girl, ready to tackle any challenge with your diverse set of powers. Practice explaining your code out loud, work on open-source projects, build something from scratch. Heck, try pair programming with a rubber duck if you have to. The point is, diversify your skills. Companies want problem solvers and communicators, not just human compilers who can recite algorithms. And there you have it, folks. LeetCode isn't bad, but it's not the be-all and end-all of interview prep. Remember, you're not just a code monkey. You're a magical girl of the programming world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other coding myths you want me to bust. Until next time, keep coding and stay magical.